where should we put transport on demand in a city like Lisbon? Okay, we don't know a lot about this issue, so let's try a very central location and see what kind of customer use it, what kind of preferences do they have, how we can get to them. And that was the idea. So we choose a very central location, very diverse, so it has elderly people, but also schools and universities, it has services, so that was the aim, was okay, let's start in a very central location where we could cover a lot of diversity to learn. That is the basic ambition of this project. We have something that we call the neighborhood lines, which have lower demand because they just connect the points within the same neighborhood, so they are like proximity services. Maybe that's a possibility. We have night services, maybe that's another possibility. So we are still learning, but for the moment our focus is not so much on that part, so on understanding which services we want to explore, but more on the people. What kind of people use it, what do they need, and whether we can use this technology to actually meet their needs and make public transport more competitive.
We started our relationship with Carris with a previous pilot for the people with reduced mobility, and after that we decided to launch an operation on the center of Lisboa to prove the good precision of our satellite geolocalization, as a big city like Lisboa has many streets with many lanes. So our devices have multi-GNSS to connect to different satellite systems, like for example GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou, etc.
Public transport needs to be the backbone of transportation in cities, and that's what we are here for. But this does not mean that there are going to be no cars, no bicycles or no pedestrians, rather the opposite. What we are going to have is like a combination of all these modes. All of them have their advantages and disadvantages, and the secret will be to combine them and to have a fruitful combination of them all. This is our future, and we believe that public transport will always be at the heart of such revolution.